Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. Looking at this, it's from the Earwax Specialist. This is a flashlight ear pick, medical pick, and it comes in a very nice case. One of the cool aspects of this is it comes in a variety of colors. So you may get the blue, you may get the yellow, or even the green. Easy on off with the light. And you can take out the bottom here and replace out the batteries because it has 3 additional batteries for you. Now on top of that, you can swap out the head very easily and use the scoop. Pull that out. There's a set of little tweezers, which is going to be great. And of course, boop, boop, the smaller scoop here. This is probably going to be your go-to tip for use. So folks, if you're looking for something absolutely fantastic, just petite enough to fit in the tip of your ear, easy to clean, and very stylish, then this flashlight ear pick by Earwax Specialist can't be beat. On top of all of that, it does come with a syringe, which is going to be great for cleaning out your ears. Fill it with a warm water, flush out the ears, and then you can always clean the ears out with a little bit of alcohol afterwards. All right, folks, I'm Adam, and I thought you would like to see this fantastic earwax pick, which comes in its own case, available for you to start cleaning your ears. All right, thanks for watching and goodbye, my friends.